What's up, G35 crew? You guys check it out. Look at all this shit we gotta throw out. Look at all this trash. Jeez. Q50 sitting nice. G35 looking mean. Check this out too. Got all this bullshit. We're gonna get rid of all this shit today. All that fucking shit. Hey, y'all, listen up. I'll show you guys how to remove these lights. This isn't gonna be specifically a how-to, because this is crazy. This G35 is tweaked out. Show you guys how this thing's hooked up. Fucking barely hanging on. Everything's painted and taken out. We got the stock headlights in there. The license plate. We got that plenum spacer in the back seat, riding solo. What you guys think of this G35, bro? Got the J.I. Beats sticker on there. What up, J.I. Beats? Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to take these lights out. If you guys didn't see the last video, I showed you guys how to take the tail lights out on the Q50. So make sure you guys go run up that video. Got those things cleaned up, popped them back in. And real quick too, you guys go hit me up on all my platforms right there. I'll run it up, say what up. Let's grab me a ratchet. Need that 8mm socket. My toolbox is all over the place right now. I've been doing way too much shit. Just throw that on there. Yo, I'm digging the silver on this shit, bro. Should look clean though. Alright, let's get this working. So let me know if you guys, if your ride looks anything similar to this. I don't know if this shit been jerry rigged or what. Shit wouldn't surprise me if it was. Alright, let's grab this 8mm. On mine, I got a bolt holding on to it right there, right here. There's supposed to be a little piece that connects in there. This little tab here too. And then we got the clips, so you guys can pop out those clips. These ones are hella hard to get off too. At least on this one, because it's been painted over hella times. I'm gonna pop the clip out on each side. See if I can get this one out. Motherfucker. There it goes. Get that one loosened up. That one, that's the only one holding it on. And we got one in here too. Alright, once you guys get your hardware off, got that clip popped out. Bam, pop it through. You guys can feed that wire in. Or if you guys don't want to feed that wire in, this is probably clipped onto with the little clip, probably popped into one of these little holes. If you guys don't want to undo that, you guys can untwist these, unclip it from in there. Same thing on these. Now got you your light bulb. If you guys need to switch out your light, or you guys need to replace the whole assembly, you guys want to vinyl wrap this thing, throw that sheet of vinyl over it. There you go. There's one. That's easy money. Let's get this other one off. We got a bolt here. There's one. Get that clip out. And then there's two on mine. Right there and right there. There's a second one. Pull this through. There you have it. You guys can spit shine those things, clean it up on the body. That's what I'm about to do real quick. Here's a G35, bro. This thing is fucking tweaky as hell. This G35 needs hella work. This exhaust is leaking and shit. Got that Borla exhaust on deck with the motor dyne, art pipes, replacing the cats. Got those art pipes under there. Where they at? You guys see that? Look at these headlights, bro. About to toss these out. How dusty these things are. Nappy as hell. Couldn't see a damn thing when these were hooked up. Look how yellow it is. Yeah, we can say goodbye to these. Throw that bitch out. Look at this, bro. I'm like half-ass putting everything back on. I got one clip holding that in there. Make sure you guys put all your shit back, bro, because I'm learning the hard way. Fucking driving up the hill, got my under panel dragging across the fucking ground. Gotta pull over and put it aside, looking hella dumb. So make sure you guys put all the screws back in, bolt everything back up. Look at this shit, bro. Hard-headed ass motherfucker, man. Just make sure you guys, when you start it, you gotta start something, bro. Finish that shit. I gotta put some more time into this thing, bro. It's hella shit to do. Look how this rear bumper's hooked up, bro. It's all bolted on. Pretty sure it's supposed to be clips holding it on. Take the spoiler off too, so if you guys are looking to take your spoiler off, you guys can use this as a little reference. Let me know if you guys is looking similar. I feel like these shouldn't even be here right now. But I'm gonna pop them out right quick. Look at this, bro. Everywhere we go, run into some bullshit. Well, there's supposed to be nuts on those bolts there. Got one right here. And then I'm gonna undo this brown clip to unscrew or to unclip it for the backlight. And then there's just a bunch of clips that run across this. Look at this fool. What the fuck are you yelling at? Look at that fool. That's the type of shit we gotta deal with out here, bro. Fucking bunch of bystanders tweaking out. Look at that G35 though, that shit look mean. Alright, you guys see these clips in here? These clips slide up or down. So you guys can slide it up and pop it out. And then there's little spots that you guys can get your hands into and push those tabs in. You guys see this right here? Push those tabs in, just pinch the tabs and you guys can push it through. I'm out here fucking breaking clips for you guys again, man. You guys better subscribe up. Breaking hella shit for you guys. Right here too. You get in this hole, there's a clip like right here. Let me pop this out. So these are how the clips are laid out. If you guys want to spray paint this, you guys can unscrew that light right there. You guys got you a fresh spoiler to spray paint. here. Let's get this cleaned up. What you guys think? Spoiler or no spoiler? That shit low-key look kind of hard without that spoiler when it's all fucked up like this. What you guys think? Dead ass battery. Look at this coolant tank. This fucking coolant tank is a piece of junk, bro. You guys be checking your coolant levels though. Make sure you guys check that level. Make sure you guys got coolant and oil. Damn, that shit look kind of dirty. Don't surprise me though. Look at the casing. Shit got Bondo on there. Look like chewed up gum spit up on there. You guys check your oil too. This oil dipstick on the G35 is fucking stupid though. Make sure you guys always check your oil, especially if you got this G35, bro. Oh. Check that oil though. Open up the cap, make sure nothing's leaking in there. If it looks like milky or frothy, you got like white residue all over there, you got water going in. Goddamn. You see that shit? Like mine. I gotta fix that up. Clean it up with the rag. It's no big of a deal. These gaskets just need to be replaced. What you guys think, bro? How much you guys think this shit worth right here? How much you guys think I could get out of this thing? Got them tinted windows. Interior's kind of trashed too. Yeah, that type of trash, bro. What am I talking about? What you think though? What's the price tag on this thing? You guys gotta remember too, this shit part of the channel though. Shit part of the channel, that's gonna up the values. Could be the threads on here too. It's not sealing it right. I'm wiping all this out real quick. It's not good for the engine, for water and oil to mix. It's not good at all, we don't want that. I gotta drain this oil on this whip. Looks better. Close that up. This is also something I haven't fucked with yet, is the brakes, the brake lines and the fluid. I gotta learn how to do that shit. Alright you guys, we're gonna cut up a sick little edit. You guys stay focused on the task at hand. Keep going hard, bro. I'm with you on that. Let's keep doing what we gotta do. Grow each and every day. Stack that shit up brick by brick. Catch y'all later. Got that cleared out. Metal guy came through. He picked up all this shit. He seen the stickers on the whip too. He's like, damn, does that work to get all the girls? I started laughing. I'm like, nah, I do YouTube, bro. And he said, oh, I get money on there? I said, not yet. Yeah, we cleared this bitch out. I said, not yet. And he's like, not yet, just trust the process, bro. Trust the process, bro. I said, watch this. Hey, look. Not a damn thing has changed on me but my shoes. Right? Jumped up out the Crocs. So Metal Man was like, trust the process, right? I said, watch this. Guys gotta trust the process, bro. Even when shit is looking rough and you're not seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, just gotta keep pushing through, bro. Just keep moving forward. And we're gonna make it out in the end. You just gotta believe. Those of you that believe, we're gonna make it out. If you don't believe, it's not gonna be what it seems. You guys gotta believe. Keep believing, keep working hard. We're gonna make it out.